An exciting matchup between Davao and Bacolod.
Well, nabanggit nga natin, no? Itong Bacolod galing sa panalo. Same is that Kurt Lohera in for Kenneth Ighalo. And also si nagpalit kagad ang depensa. Itong Bacolod, Sumona.
Nabong inside, and Kelly Nabong puts it in for two, and he will
Another change of defense.
inside again. Nabong, the fadeaway is good.
So, 3 possessions, defensive possession, the ability to fade as well with that jumper.
Casinillo, mid-range J, and he knocks it down. Mark Olayon, binabantay ni Ubalde. They go to De La Cruz. Nag-cut si Lohera. Easy two.
Yeah, that's the second time already.
De La Cruz now with Lohera. Takes the jumper. Too strong. Manzo with the offensive rebound, and he puts it in. Casinillo quickly to Marilao. Danny Marilao.
And in,
Boga in the ballgame to Malip from way out.
malayo masyado yun.
Indrada picks it up.
How about
puts it
Ken
in.
Ighalo keeping that ball alive? And
Koga uses the left hand, and Yusei Koga, he's got that in his bag. And quickly to Galit. Galit will pull up and knock it down.
well, he has that in him. Gusto ni Canel tong matchup. Kanina pa niya hinihingi yung bola.
Kanyal. Oh, nice move.
Tama naman.
Great footwork.
Iba talaga yung galawan ng mga taga-Bacolod.
Oh, steal by Piromingan. Fast break for Bacolod. Piromingan
Wow.
lays it in.
Oh, what a finish. Than 10 minutes, 1 for 4 for 2 points at a couple rebounds.
Nice read there from Cedillo. Dire-diretso siya. Here's Piromingan. Will drive.
Oh.
Nice spin inside. Tricky Piromingan. Underneath. Inside Lohera. Max. Galicia back to Española. JJ with a runner.
Oh, what a tough shot.
Galicia riding the pick. Ubalde. Galicia. Look what I found. That play read perfectly by Bacolod. JJ down
Good
low
pass.
to Galicia. Yes, sir. Pastias. Manzo with a steal. Manzo with a layup. Great ball. To Malip. Nabong. Manzo now with Olayon. That's good.
I just love great an advantage. Ball was swung around the horn, and the extra pass by Manzo leads to a 3 by Olayon.
Oh, Jacob Galicia is feeling it.
Shot on the post on the other by Galicia.
To Malip. And Tigers finding the range. Batay ni Manzo. LA. Nahanap si Manalang for the jumper. That's good. Inside, Manalang. Yes. Marilao. It's a poor pass from Danny Marilao.
Guess who?
And June Manzo. Another steal and another basket. And JJ Española ang 5 para sa Bacolod. Marilao, nakabuelo, and Danny Marilao puts it in.
You see, or that lost time in the first half.
Ubalde goes to Casinillo, fires a 3, nothing but net. Here's June Manzo. Olayon drives, no look pass. Nabong for the 2 points.
I thought he was going to go for it.
32. Olayon picks the pocket of Ubalde. Olayon too strong. De La Cruz for the putback. May baba ang bola. Here's Danny Marilao. Nice pass. Sabelina. Him executing kanina pa, even with the physicality ng Davao. Oh, nice pass. Olayon to De La Cruz.
But the thing with Bacolod, even in their last game, I expect them to come in at the 3-minute mark, possibly for Casinillo.
Manzo for 3. That's good. June Manzo. Casinillo.
Nice move.
Oh, off the glass and in. LA Casinillo, he will not be denied.
A rhythm. Good
Pero
shot.
Mingan, again, moving well without the ball. Under a minute remaining in the third. Ighalo for 3.
He has that shot. He has that shot. And that
Davao Occidental. Nabong umatake and scores underneath. 9 points in the ball game.
in a basket for Kelly Nabong.
Pero Mingan, jumper is
Wow.
good.
Talk about being steady.
Nabong saves it only to Solomon. Fast break para sa Bacolod. Galicia puts it in for 2.
That you force early fouls, you stop the clock, and then you get chances at the line.
Nabong knocks down the 3. Solomon, too strong. Rebound ends up with Galit and goes for the reverse. Posting up on Galit, there's a double team.
Good pass.
Swings it over to Olayon. 3-pointer is good. Takbo ang Davao. They can tie the game here. Tumale puts it in. And 1. Lip almost to steal. Nakatawid. Taken away by Olayon. De La Cruz, the sidestep, the finish. So Malip, jumper, in and out. De La Cruz on the stick back.
Ang ganda ng execution na yun. An offensive rebound, but really that pin down action after the flex initiation led to the open offensive rebound. Pero ito open sa ilalim. Little look away.
Short, Manzo with a rebound.
Numbers.
Tigers on the run. Art off the glass and in. Art De La Cruz. Abong on the kick out. Tumalip. Gamalinda on the other side. Fade away. Yes. Bam Bam Gamalinda.
That's his move. Advantage as Galit went to the floor.
Last 2 minutes is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first and original online basketball. Alfred Cedillo. 8 to shoot. Cedillo puts it in for 2. With the shot clock winding down. Cruz has come alive here in the second half. He misses the second, and yes, that will do it. The Davao Occidental Tigers.